and Feed is here in Times Square, New York City, and Jersey City, New Jersey. Let's go check them out, see what they're working with.
C4, boom back, boom back, boom back, boom back. I've been hustling, suffering, struggling, fumbling, stumbling, running and gunning to come up for comma, so I'm a OG boy. G boy. OG boy.
Day we hustle, but the night we
OG boy. I'm a OG boy. G boy.
Y'all was talking about this girl named Gregory, making it mad, making it sad, boy. Y'all was talking about this girl named Gregory.
Brew and Feed is here at Bier Wax in Brooklyn, New York. Let's go check them out and see what they're working with.
Y'all was talking about this girl named Gregory, making it mad, making it sad, boy. Y'all was talking about this girl named Gregory, making it mad, making it sad, boy. Y'all was talking about this girl named Gregory, making it mad, making it sad, boy. Y'all was talking about this girl named Gregory, making it mad, making it sad, boy.
All right, we're here at Departed Soles Brewing Company here in Jersey City, New Jersey. It's behind me. They're not open yet. They got about 3 more minutes before they open. I'm gonna go there and have a flight. We've been here before. We're gonna go check them out and see if there's anything new, and we'll see what they got going on. Let's go see if they know how to brew strong and feed well.
check it out.
I'm here at Departed Soles Brewing Company, the place where they give you a skateboard for your beer paddle. Beers were excellent the last time I was here, so let's give them a try, see what they're working with. the beers are pretty solid. This first one's interesting. It's a honey blonde made with green tea, herbal green teas. Very good. Interesting. I don't think there's any hops in this beer either, which I guess they call them herbal beers now. I may have to try one. Brew and Feed, herbal beers. I think the two go together. So let's see what we can come up with. So yeah, this place is in Jersey City. I don't know, about from the waterfront, it's probably about a mile, 3/4 of a mile to a mile away. Good 10-minute walk. So swing by Departed Soles and come check them out. Get your skateboard. If you return the skateboard, you get a whole pint of beer with the flight. So the flight comes with 4, looks like 2, maybe 3 ounces, 3-ounce flights, and also comes with a pint of beer. So return your skateboard, get your pint. Brew strong and feed well.